Hey, what's up everyone? Abe Olandris here of VICTUS, and today we're here in New York to cover the global launch of Samsung's newest foldable phones. So, aside from the Galaxy Z Fold 4 which was announced today, Samsung also launched the Galaxy Z Flip 4 here in New York. Samsung has done some design refinements in the Galaxy Z Flip 4, which includes a redesigned hinge that is now slimmer. And they've also managed to shave off a few millimeters on the bezels around the display. You will not notice this right off the bat unless you put the Flip 4 side by side the Galaxy Flip 3. But it's still a welcome improvement. It features an Armor aluminum body with IPX8 rating for dust and water resistance of up to 1.5 meters in under 30 minutes. And just like the Galaxy Z Fold 4, the Z Flip 4 also got a new Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset that is paired with 8GB of RAM and options for either 128GB, 256GB, or 512GB of UFS 3.1 internal storage. Likewise, the main screen is still 6.7 inches with a full HD Plus resolution using Dynamic AMOLED 2X and 120Hz refresh rate. The outer display or the cover screen is still at 1.9 inches with a 260 by 512 pixel AMOLED and protected by Corning Gorilla Glass VICTUS Plus. What Samsung did on the software side was to make sure that the cover screen is more useful by adding customizations like video wallpapers and picture avatars, shortcuts to often used settings, and to be able to reply to SMS and make calls straight away. While the camera might not look the same on paper, the 12-megapixel f1.8 main camera has been improved and now has 65% brighter pixel sensor with enhanced OIS and VDIS, which is great for low-light photography or what Samsung would call nightography. The secondary camera has a 12-megapixel f2.2 sensor with an ultra-wide lens, while the front-facing camera still has a 10-megapixel f2.4 sensor. In terms of connectivity, the Z Flip 4 supports 5G, 4G LTE, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, and a dual nano SIM plus eSIM support. There's no micro SD card expansion slot here though, and the fingerprint sensor is side-mounted along with the power button. The Z Flip 4 also has a bigger battery this time, now at 3700 mAh with a 25-watt fast charging and 15-watt wireless charging support, so you can get from 0 to 50% charge in just 30 minutes. Standard color offerings include graphite, pink gold, blue, and Bora purple. One interesting offering from Samsung.com website is that you can order a customized color combination of your Z Flip 4. This bespoke edition has 75 color combinations you can choose from. They even showed us a demo of a robotic arm that will work on your chosen color combination of the Z Flip 4 while you wait. It looks cool. Anyway, that's all we got on the Galaxy Z Flip 4, and we'll surely update you once we get the complete details as well as the pricing and availability in the Philippines. And before we go, what do you guys think of the new Galaxy Z Flip 4? Do let us know by leaving a comment in the comment section down below. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and click that notification icon to be updated of our future uploads. Also, consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this. Follow us on Facebook, IG, Twitter, and TikTok, and visit chugitech.com for more tech news and reviews. Once again, this is Abe, and I will see you in the next one.